Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Chrome extension that not listed on Google Chrome extension web store. It's basically if you are developing your own Chrome extension. Here what you have to do. I'm doing my own Chrome extension for my works, and then I download it first. It's already downloaded. I will open the Chrome extension file, and then I will extract it on this one, and then go back to your Google Chrome, and then go to the triple dot on the upper, and then click extension, and then click this manage extensions, and then make sure you turn on this developer mode. Okay, make sure you turn on this developer mode, and then here you can see load unpack of extension. You just click on this one, and then go back to the folder you download or your own extension, and then click the folder, and then select, and then okay, you must upload it on the folder that contain the direct file like manifest.json and then popup.js, etc. So for instance, I just click this select folder, and then that's it. Now this is my own extension, which is I'm on developing mode, and then it will be showing up on this extension. See, this is the name gr-date shopy, and then gr-date shopy it's already installed on your Chrome, on my own Chrome. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.